If your Microsoft Edge browser keeps opening MSN every time you start a new tab, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove MSN as your homepage or new tab page on Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix and it's perfect if you want a cleaner browser, a faster startup experience, or just a more personal new tab layout. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and open a new tab. Once that new tab is open, go to the top of the page and type edge://extensions/ into the address bar, then press enter. This will take you to the extensions page inside Edge, where you can see every extension that's currently installed in your browser. On this page, look carefully for an extension called MSN New Tab. This extension is often what causes MSN.com to appear whenever you open a new tab. Once you find it, you have two choices. You can either turn it off or you can completely remove it. For this tutorial, we're going to remove it entirely so it won't keep coming back. Click Remove next to the MSN New Tab extension. Edge will then show you one more confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to remove it. Go ahead and click Remove again to confirm. After that, wait just a second while Edge processes the change. Once it's done, the extension will be gone, and MSN should no longer load when you open a new tab. To check that it worked, simply open another new tab and make sure the MSN homepage no longer appears. If you still want a different home or new tab experience, you can now set up a more useful extension or customize Edge settings the way you like. And that's it. You've successfully removed MSN as your homepage or new tab in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful browser tips, computer fixes, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.